Hello friends, this is Eric from Blossoms Gardening Tips. Today I am going to show you about coco pit. Usage of coco pit. This is coconut fiber in a compressed mode which we are going to expand putting it in a bucket of water. This is a very good substitute for garden soil which has a property of wonderful drainage, water drainage, and there will be no root rotting in the plant. This is not harmful at all, just like, unlike your garden soil or any other potting soil. This is a wonderful potting soil substitute for potting soil. Now we are going to put this in the bucket of water and see what will happen. This will take a little bit of time and then we will come back to you. Done with the coco peat, and this is all expanded in the water. You can see now you have to wash this. Actually, this has salt in it because it must have come from South India and there is salt water everywhere. And this is a coastal lime fruit actually. So this is almost washed now, all expanded. There should not be lumps remaining in this. Yeah, there are some lumps, small lumps, which I have to take out. Alright, now I will squeeze this and take it out. This is coconut fiber. This is called coco peat. Alright, we don't require all of it now. We'll keep the bucket aside. I have some small planters. I am not using them for big plants. I have got small plants, so I have got small planters. These are temporary ones. I have kept little coconut fibers in this, which will help draining the soil again. We don't have to cut it off and keep, because this is helping the draining of water from the coco peat. If at all we have accidentally poured more water in coco peat, this will help draining the water, and there are holes in it. You can see the holes, and the water will fall in this. So we will put the coco peat in this. Yeah. Goes here. This is an excellent soil conditioner. We can even add garden soil in this. We can even add brick powder in this. Now we are not adding anything because this is monsoon season. We don't require garden soil and we don't require brick powder. This is another small planter. These are of course small temporary planters. We can of course continue with them with small plants, not big plants. So this is ready. This is another small one. Yes, we have about 5 planters here, small planters, and we have some plants ready, and I'm going to plant them. This will be in this is a small plant. This is, since it is temporary, we are not going to water this again till the roots are developed. Because this holds water 8 times of its capacity. These are some flowering plants, and these are of same family, so we'll be putting them together. And these two are of same family, so we will put them together. So if you want to see, you can see this here. There is good aeration, there is ventilation within the soil, so this will help the plants growing their roots very fast. And we are not adding any garden soil in this, we are not adding any manure in this, because once we add the manure, the roots will not develop so easily, because it's just like, it's very natural. Human beings or animals, once they have food, they will not get out of their houses to fetch food. So this is like, there is no food for them, so they have to bring out their roots in search of food. So the development of root will become faster without the manure. So once they are okay and they are grown, then we can replant them in a bigger planter, bigger pot, and with the manure, and yes, they will be flourishing. So this is the usage of coco peat. I said this is very organic and very harmless for the plants, and the plants will flourish in coco peat. Actually, they are being used. This is being used in the nurseries, which they don't disclose it to their customers because their business is lost. So yes, we can use this at home and make our garden flourish. So we will wait for 10 days. This will take about 8 to 10 days for the root development, and the plants will come out with the new shoots. So we will show you the video of that after 10 days. Now in the meanwhile, we will, to maintain the moisture level and humidity level, we will be covering this with these polythene bags, so that the moisture level is maintained and there will not be any dryness, and we don't require watering of this for the next 10 days or probably more. We are not supposed to open them and see. We can see the development because the plastic is transparent. You can even see the roots in these because this is transparent. The last one. Yes, this will also be covered. So thank you so much, friends. We will give you the updates about this plantation in the coco peat, and keep watching our videos, keep watching all the videos that we are uploading. You will have so many videos about so many things about gardening, and like, subscribe, share, and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.